Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. All right, so we're going to take a look at Litecoin. I think definitely a good spot risk reward wise. We're sitting right on top of this long-term trend line. So for swing traders, pretty easy to get long here with a fairly tight stop. And I think you have a lot of decent upside potential, especially if we break out of this descending wedge. You know, those are pretty powerful in crypto, especially in Bitcoin. If this does hold and go up, then we're going to have a mid reversal. That's what we like to look for in these wedges, these descending wedges, to get long. So I think your risk reward here is really decent, and if a Litecoin moves up, you'll be able to move your stop up to your entry point, and the risk is off in fairly short order. If you're accumulating, this is a good spot. Obviously, if you just accumulate along this trend line, you know, you're getting a decent, really good value on your Litecoin as in regards to time progression. So, and you know, Litecoin, when it makes its big moves, is off of these long-term baselines. So I think there's a lot of upside potential right here for Litecoin. Should this level fail, we're probably looking down in this $80, but your stop would be you know, right below this level, so you could reload down there. But I think right here, if we get some momentum going in the crypto space and with Bitcoin, I think we're going to you should be at least looking at 118 to 120. And if that move really gets started, then we're going to be launching up to probably this upper trend line here at about 144. So I like it here. Let's drill down to the 4-hour chart. And we're consolidating here. You know, this area here, you know, the fear here is going to be that we break down out of this consolidation. This is almost like a pennant formation here that we could draw, but you know, yes, that is the probabilities are that these break down when that happens, but you also have to kind of step back and look at where we're at, and this is very long-term support on this trend line. So sometimes you just have to look at what's going to be the higher probability, and I think this trend line is going to hold. But again, this is going to be Litecoin's very much tied to the price of Bitcoin and its movement. So it will require some help from Bitcoin to do that. So, but that again, that's why we have our stops pretty tight. Our 4-hour signal is going to fire. The 4 hours fired short here, and we had this move similar with Bitcoin. And that happened on the upper part of the channel. And if you recall in our previous videos, we like our signals when they fire either in the top of the channel for shorts or sells and the bottom of the channel to get long. I'd say we are probably, if we keep this price pattern, we're probably about, we should have a 4-hour buy signal in the next 24 hours. So kind of like in the way that's shaping up. And on the hourly, guys, we're looking at, again, just more consolidation. We are currently in a long signal here, but we're chopping. And a lot of times what will happen is if you get a long signal that chops, you're going to get a thrust move out of that chop. It just takes some patience, but consolidation here. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. Litecoin looks pretty, I think, pretty good risk reward here for swings and accumulating if you're, you know, amassing a position for a longer term hold. But we do like our descending wedges, and I think it's pretty bullish there for Litecoin to break out of that. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, Litecoin Outlook. I'll see you on tomorrow's video. Please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Trade Genius.